Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley or Honey, whatever you want to call me, and I'm back with a banger. Hey babe, thank you so much for tuning in. Let's get right into it. I would love to thank NICEY Hair for sponsoring this video. So NICEY Hair is an Amazon hair company that specializes in HD lace wig. Make sure you go ahead and watch the video where I customize this unit. I will have it linked here on the screen for your convenience. Thank you in advance. So before installing this unit, we're just going in with the Got2b spray to lay down the cap as per usual. You already know the drill. We live in the fast lane, so all my clips are going to be sped up for your convenience again, because who wants to watch a long hair install video? Come on guys. Anyway, I'm cutting the cap just to make sure it's right after my hairline. This is the gorgeous unit we're going to be installing today. She's giving ginger. I love this unit by NICEY Hair. They did a great job. I'm going in with the glue, making sure it's just after the bolt cap. Honestly, I did go a little bit too back with this wig, but it's okay. It looked great in the end, and we're still in the learning process, so who really cares? On to the next step, which is installation. You want to wait until the glue is a little bit dry and becomes tacky before you put on the wig. Otherwise the glue is going to go through the lace and onto your wig, and you don't want that. I did get a little bit of that, but I fixed it in the end. A great hack to make sure that you get your wig where you want it is to fit the wig before you put on the glue and draw a line with concealer, and then make sure you put the glue along the line where the concealer is, because that will make you have an accurate part where you want to place the wig. Now we're gonna tie this baby up and wait for her to dry, then we can cut the lace.
Every time you see it, do you remember when we fell in love? We were young and innocent then. Do you remember how it all began?
As you can see, I still had a little bit of that glue very visible in the front, but that's okay. It'll go away as time goes by and as the glue dries. I'm just gonna cut this lace. A little tip for those who are just beginning to install wigs: make sure you do the baby hairs after you install your wig. I did end up cutting the baby hairs off because they were just in my way, but if you're already a professional, you probably know how to go around them, but I didn't, so I cut them off and remade them. The lace on this wig was very thin, so it was giving scalp, and I did go ahead and put my foundation shade, so that's why it blended so neatly with the skin on my forehead. So that's another tip: make sure you have a foundation that matches your skin and use it on your wig cap. Most people use melting spray to clean up any lifting lace, but I just went back in with the same glue that I used to install the wig to lay down any lace that was lifting, and it worked fine. On to the next step, we're going to be doing the baby hairs. Remember, in the beginning I had cut off the ones I made on the wig stand, so I'm gonna have to part new ones. For this step you can do 2 sets or 1. This was a 13x4-inch wig, so different people do their baby hairs differently, so you could do 2 sets or you could do 1. This was a 13x4-inch closure, so I did go in with 2 sets. It's completely optional. You could do whatever you want on your own wig. Let me tell you now, doing baby hairs is not the easiest thing. Like, it took me a long time to just master this process, and I just like to tell anybody who's just starting out to take your time. It doesn't have to be perfect. As long as it looks good in your eyes, that's fine.
No limit, got that masterpiece. No limit, baby. Give you that black car. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. No limit. I see murder that. No limit, baby. Give you that ghetto D, girl. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. So if you've never been, girl, I would just love to take you there. You don't have to worry about a thing. I gotta let me show you better than no. Just a name, you be my soldier.
So the last step in this install is just to do some finishing touches. I went in with the hot comb to fix the front. If you want to know how I achieved this banging flat top look, make sure you watch my other video where I teach you how to style your wigs and make sure you have a flat top, make it look professional, even if you did your own hair at home like me, because I'm not paying no $350 for anybody to install a wig on my head. That's why I learned how to do it by myself, and that's why you can too.
Hey, little mama with shine, just pick a destination. Go ahead, show me you can get like everything.
Anyway, I'm done talking, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you. The wig looks dope. I was banging. I was giving life. Okay, this wig is amazing. Make sure you subscribe to watch my latest videos coming soon every Friday at 1 p.m. CST. You know I'm gonna post a video Friday at 1 p.m. You know I'm gonna post. It takes nothing. Please subscribe. Please, 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 please. I love you. I love you, and you know it. See you on my next one. Bye.